I like raisins. I like raisins. Don't tell me there's gonna be raisins and there's no raisins. Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. My name is Dunn and I make videos about travel, language, culture, and lifestyle. And you guys know I've been living in the Dominican Republic where the food is just... The food is just great, guys. Dominican food is amazing, and today I have some Dominican snacks and I'm gonna be trying to see if they're just as good as the food. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So first runner up we have Fungal Snacks de Todito. And this better be good, guys, because I love mofongo, okay? So yeah, mofongo snacks de todito. Okay. It don't smell like terrible. Okay, so that was chicharron. I'm guessing this one's yuca. No, this is good. This is good. Yeah. Okay. That'll do it. That'll do it. Ain't got to worry about me. Okay. So I would give these maybe a 9 out of 10, only because the color is a bit dull, but they're great. I'm not I ain't complaining. All right. Oh wow, there's plátanos in here, chicharron, and yuca. Oh wow. Okay. Well, okay. I gotta give these a 9. No, maybe a 10. I really like these. Color. I really like these. Okay. A 10. Okay, so now I have these plátano chips. Everybody was telling me to get these from Cariba's Plátanos Original. 100% plátano. So yeah, I'm gonna try these.
Two hours later.
They're good, but they taste kind of just like tostones. It just tastes like tostones, but in a chip form. These are really good. I could actually probably eat these with some fried salami. Yeah. I could eat these with some fried salami, some fried fish. They're good. Or just walking around with your... Yeah, I think these and a malta, and I'll be good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. And they're nice and they're perfectly salty. Perfectly salty. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Yeah. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. These are great. 10 out of 10. Right now, DR, that's a yes from me. It's a yes from me. Okay, guys, and now we have these. I've been seeing people like talk all about these. They said they're 100% Dominican. Joelitas. Okay, so I'm gonna try these ojelitas, okay? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Ojelitas. Oh, de queso. Cause they smelling like somebody's abuela. Not my abuela, but maybe yours. I'm all about second chances.
Son basura. Basura.
No.
Basura. Mega basura.
No. No. No, 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 no. 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 I'll give them a 1 out of 10 because I'll give them a 1 out of 10 because I like cheese, you know? I like cheese, but these are not. No. 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 Just no. No. Now we have some chicharron. Chicharron, chicharron, chicharron. One of my favorite meats. One of them. But yeah, so we have some chicharron here, and guys, this is a good deal, okay? Because I paid 30 pesos for these, okay? So I'm not complaining, but let's just see. Chicharron limon. Me. They smell like chicharron. They smell okay. They just they taste like I like that lime taste. These are good. These are good. These are good. I like these. I just probably wish that they were just like a bit crunchier. But yeah, I can believe 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Absolutely. Yeah. 9 out of 10. These are good. These are good. I can eat these, drink these with a nice presidente, you know, a little beer, a Malta maybe, or a country club, that merengue country club. Yeah. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Okay guys, so now I have these Dino Cookies. These smell. I can kind of smell them through the packet, maybe. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's like a. Okay, so let's try these out. Okay, so, and also guys, I have a glass of milk. Okay,
he needs some milk.
I'm not eating cookies without milk. It's just not gonna happen. I'm not eating cookies without milk. So let's see. I will try one without milk just for you guys. Okay. Yeah, these are good. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, these are really good. They taste better with milk, obviously. But yeah, these are good. Oh yeah. Yeah. You could totally give these to your kids. I think if you had kids, your kids would love them. This tastes like something you would give your kids, like for a snack for school. Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Oh yeah. All right. On to the next. Okay, guys. So coming in at number, I don't know. We have Chockies. And I'm just assuming that, I'm pretty sure it's just another chocolate chip cookie. It smells like Chips Ahoy. I think to be honest, I think that's all well, Chips Ahoy might be a bit softer. Dip it in my milk. It just tastes like a regular chocolate chip cookie. Who doesn't like chocolate chip cookies? Who doesn't like chocolate chip cookies? Yeah. Like maybe give these a 9 out of 10. Only because these are a bit like dry. I don't even want to say hard, but they're just kind of dry. Oh. I'm American. I know a good chocolate chip cookie when I have them. 9 out of 10. 9. I would give these a solid 9. These are good. These are good. These are good. I like these. Woo! Now I have this mas, and it is chocolate with raisins and peanuts. Peanuts. Ooh, it's been a long time. Oh, chocolate with raisins and peanuts. So, that's kind of like a weird combination. I don't think I've ever had anything with like raisins and peanuts together. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. Oh, but look how cute they are. Oh, look how cute. I'm not. Yeah. I'm gonna have to give this a 0. It's just not good. It's just not good. Yeah. That means. And where are the raisins? Where are the raisins? It says raisins and peanuts. Yeah, this is just. This mas is a no-no. Okay. On to the next one now. Okay, last but not least, I have Karachi. Dun, dun, dun. So it is a milk chocolate with crispy rice. That sounds suspicious. I didn't like that mas, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna like this one. Hold on now. No. Okay. It tastes like an off-brand version. An off-brand version. It tastes like an off-brand version of a Crunch Bar. Like, you know how like they have like Fruity Loopies or like colorful loops or loopy coloreds. I think this just tastes like an off-brand Crunch Bar. I'm gonna give this one Ooh. I'm going to give this maybe a 3 because it's chocolate, but yeah, not really a fan. Yeah, this one, a 3. A 3. Karachi, you get a 3. Whoever made this, I don't know. I was just expecting it to be better. It's chocolate. Yeah. I don't know. DR, I am very I'm disappointed with the chocolate. I'm very disappointed with the chocolate. Ooh. So, Dominican snacks are decent, okay? They're decent, all right? This one has to be my favorite one. The mofongo one. Mofongo snack mix. Oh. You are good. You are good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. These are my favorite ones. Okay. And my least favorite one being mas. Like, this mas is a no. Okay, so yeah. Favorite, least favorite. I don't know. And there's not even, where are the raisins? Where are the raisins? Okay guys, so that concludes this video. The snacks were very interesting. Very interesting, new, very different. I'm still very disappointed about there not being raisins in the mas, okay? Because I like raisins. I like raisins. Don't tell me there's gonna be raisins and there's no raisins. If you guys have any other recommendations of snacks that I should try from the Dominican Republic, comment them down below. I love trying new and interesting things. And if you guys have any other snacks that you want me to try from your country, comment your flag below. And maybe I can try some new snacks, okay? I want to try other things, okay? It doesn't just have to be things from the Dominican Republic, okay? So yeah, the snacks were very interesting, but with that being said, that concludes this video. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, comment, but most importantly, subscribe. I will see you in the next video, okay?